Welcome back to the cloud practice questions. Hi everyone, in this video I am going to let you know that how to create free tier account in AWS with step-by-step guides. So let's start the video. Now open your browser and search for AWS free tier account. Then find and click on this AWS official link aws.amazon.com. Here you can see create a free account button. After hit that button you will be redirected to the AWS sign up page. In this page you have to provide your email address and your name, where AWS can send you a verification code, which is only valid for 10 minutes. Enter your code here and then hit the verify button. Then this is the first step out of 5. Here you have to set your root user password, which includes uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers and non-alphanumeric characters. Put your password again. Now this is the second step. Here you have to provide your contact information. And how do you plan to use AWS? Here you can see two options, business and personal. Business for your work, school or organization. Personal for your own project. So we are a learner, we go with the personal. In rest of the steps, provide your contact information like your full name, phone number, country code, full address, city, including your PIN code also. Now check that agreement and hit the continue button. You will be redirected to the third step. This is the billing information step. You have to provide your billing information like credit, debit card detail, earned, expiry, CVV, everything. Don't worry, this is very secure. AWS will take 2 rupees from you if you belongs to India and $1 if you belongs to the other country. This amount will be refunded within 3 to 5 working days. Downside in the billing information step, AWS asks you for PAN. Do you have PAN or not? This is a free tier account, so it is not compulsory to given your PAN number. So I simply check no and go to the step number 4. Now AWS taking you to the bank page. Here you have to give the OTP of rupees 2, which is refunded within 3 to 5 working days. 8, 2, 3, 4, 1, 8. Make payment. This can take few seconds. Yeah, billing. Okay. Okay. In this step number 4, you have to confirm your identity using your phone number. Also here you can see two options. How AWS send you a verification code via text message or via voice call. So I just go with the text message. Selected my country code, then phone number, then security check. And then verify the code in the step number 5. Verifying code. Okay, I got verification code in my phone. Here is the code 7235. Here we can see three options. We go with the free one and complete sign up process. Congratulations. Go to the AWS Management Console. Now sign into the console. Sign in with your credentials, root user ID, email ID, and password you created. Sign in. Congratulations. Now you are successfully signed into the AWS console. Please like the video if this helped you. And also comment your country name you are belongs to.